Best way to get rid of mosquitoes in your yard. This information about mosquito control requires a little more work, though nothing you can't handle. There are insecticides that need to be applied. So before moving forward, I need to discuss the products required for proper mosquito control and any other pest, for that matter. When you search for mosquito control, you will get all kinds of results. Many will talk about home remedies that you can make yourself, using ingredients you probably already have in your home. There is no doubt in my mind that many of these homemade products work, and I would never tell you not to use them, but are they short-term or long-term solutions? No disrespect intended, but common sense says to me that if you hire a professional company, these companies have already tested as many products and home remedies as they can. The fact you are watching this video suggests you are very interested in learning about and maintaining your home. If it performs better than what they are currently using, no-nonsense home maintenance videos every week to help you become a more informed homeowner. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so you can take advantage of the new information that same products the professionals use and apply the products the same way the professionals apply them. Before getting started, as the products supplied in the video are from DoMyOwn, the leading authority of do-it-yourself pest control, and a company we are fortunate to be an affiliate of, are professional grade. It is imperative that you follow the directions on the product label precisely. Watch this excellent tutorial of how to control mosquitoes yourself from DoMyOwn.
Do you have mosquitoes flying around? Hi, Jim here with DoMyOwnPestControl.com to talk about mosquito treatments. Mosquitoes can take all the fun out of an outdoor activity. They bite over and over again, leaving everyone annoyed and itchy. In recent years, mosquitoes in the U.S. have been proven to spread dangerous diseases. You can help control mosquitoes in your property by following these steps. Step 1, take a good look around your yard for anything that can hold water. Bird baths, flower pots, ornamental fountains, gutters, water gardens, rain barrels, pond covers, puddles, animal drinking containers, shallow ponds, or yard debris that can become home to mosquito larvae. Empty or remove these items if possible. If it is not possible, you can use a larvicide such as mosquito dunks or Altazid. This will stop the larva from being able to develop into adult mosquitoes. Step 2, we're going to show you how to effectively apply mosquito insecticide in your yard. Select a product that is specifically labeled for mosquito control in residential yards such as Talstar P or Demand CS. Now you need to choose equipment that will best fit your needs. For a small yard, you can use a pump sprayer for this application. For larger yards, we recommend using a larger capacity mist blower. All this equipment and these products are available on DoMyOwnPestControl.com. Step 3, mix the mosquito insecticide as indicated on the product label. The key to a successful mosquito treatment is to apply the solution to all the shrubs, trees, and other foliage around the house or where you are trying to provide relief. You should direct the application not only to the top of the leaves, but to the underside of the leaves, which is where mosquitoes hang out during the heat of the day. Applications to the overhang of houses or other structures will also help get rid of mosquitoes on your property. Step 4, reapply mosquito insecticide every 30 days throughout the mosquito season. With the right products and by following the mosquito treatment steps we have outlined for you, you can make your yard become a mosquito-free haven.
If you are truly interested in maintaining your home, subscribe to our channel. Smash the like button and click on the bell so you are informed of all future videos. This channel is everything home maintenance, with several new videos made every week. To really take homeownership to its highest level, learn how the Elite Homeowner Home Maintenance Program will guide you through all of the home components that need to be maintained, so they operate at maximum efficiency and reach their intended life expectancy. There is no cost to benefit from our program. Click on the Elite Homeowner link in the description below for full details.